I'm Mariana and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the LOOVOO store on Amazon and it comes in this purple bag. It also comes with eyelashes, 2 wig caps, and this instruction card. The hair is a 13x4 water wave lace front and is 20 inches. It is also 150% density and natural color Brazilian virgin human hair. Now the hair does feel pretty crunchy and hard. The curls look a little thin, and as I was running my finger through the hair, it was shedding, and the wig smells minty. The hair does come with some baby hairs, and on the inside of the wig there are 4 combs and an adjustable strap at the back. Now I'm going to wet the wig. And the hair was shedding a lot as I was wetting it. I put my wig cap and the wig on, and the hair feels much softer now. I'm also going to cut the lace. And I decided to do a side part instead of the middle part I had originally had, so I re-wet and fixed the hair a little. Then I used Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel to glue the front of the wig down. After that, I used Style Factor Edge Booster to do my edges. And to make my part look more natural, I used Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and the color is the Mocha Mocha. I usually use this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker to define the curls, but it's almost out and my replacement hasn't come yet, so instead I'm going to try this Wig and Weave mousse. And then I just tied my hair down with a scarf. So the hair is okay. It does look nice and full, but some of the ends are thinner and longer than others. So I just ended up trimming the hair a little bit. And the part looks alright. I probably should have plucked it though. So I don't like the hair too much. I wore it out and it got really dry and frizzy, But let me know what you guys think of the wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching.